Hi and hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before I start, please subscribe to my channel and let me know your views about thing I'm going to tell. So this video is about healing doesn't let you live your life. आजकल बहुत ट्रेंडिंग वर्ड है and everybody likes to talk about it and speak about it. Healing, oh I'm getting healed from a past breakup, from certain experiences of my life, certain situations or like whatsoever. I am healing. So why don't you think healing as a term, you are giving a signal to your brain that I am not ready, and you are expecting I am healing and new things would come into my life. But while saying this I am healing, that means you are on some sort of pause. Sometimes, when we are healing, we think, just take an example of a breakup. You had a breakup or stuff like that. You guys were together for a good long years, बहुत सालों तक आप लोग साथ थे, आपका ब्रेकअप हो गया एंड अब आपको, I'm not talking about like very fresh breakup, like good आपको 6 months, 1 year you have been apart and you are trying to forget or you are trying to fix yourself or rather heal yourself. फाइन, बट इफ़ यू वुड कीप ऑन रिपीटेडली टेलिंग योर सेल्फ ना कि मुझे हील होना है, मुझे हील होना है, वो एक ब्लॉक बन रहा है. रादर यू शुड कमांड योर सेल्फ, आई एम गोइंग टू डिलीट दिस सिनेरियो सो दैट इट स्टॉप इम्पैक्टिंग मी. उस तरह से मुझ पर प्रभाव ना डाले जिस तरह से ये भी मुझे डाल रहा है. समटाइम्स आप ये बोल रहे हैं अपने आप को मैं हील हो रही और ये भी एक्सपेक्ट करें कि कोई दूसरा पार्टनर आए जो मुझे समझे, जो मेरे लायक हो, मेरे अपडेटेड वर्जन के लायक हो. समटाइम्स यू जस्ट एक्सपेक्टिंग समथिंग रियली ऑपोजिट दैट यू आर नॉट एबल टू डू. इज़ माई पॉइंट. समटाइम्स हीलिंग इज़ नॉट द चॉइस. Healing is just an excuse that you want to keep yourself into that rut, that I'm healing. For example, if you would let yourself see other people, they would just make you forget what you have been in throughout your life. Maybe you have been with a very toxic partner or very toxic relationship, but now somebody really is knocking your door, wants to enter your life, आपकी लाइफ में आना चाहता है, बट आप उसको आने ही नहीं दे रहे हो. एंड द रीज़न बीइंग इज़ you want to heal, and healing is a signal to your brain that you are on break, you're not ready to receive things. Why don't you tell yourself, no matter what happens, I would be getting fixed while living my life, I don't need a break to do it. जब कुछ फ्रेशली कुछ भी चीज़ होती है हमारे साथ, देन वी डू नीड दैट टाइम. बट अगर आपको हो गए हैं 6 महीने, 1 साल, 2 साल, बट आप स्टिल उस सेम फेज में स्टक हो, आई वॉन्ट दैट ओनली, आई वॉन्ट दैट ओनली, या मैं हील हो रहा हूँ, this is not how things are going to work. Then this healing is becoming toxic for you. You have to stop using the term healing, start using the term deleting. Start deleting people, experiences that doesn't serve you. Decide that I want to delete and it would be deleted. When you would say it's healing, you are just like ki haan, you are saying to that feeling that hurt, you stay, I am healing, I have a lot of time to heal. No, your life is passing by. You cannot just sit and heal all the time. For example, you have been traumatized in your childhood, okay, and you had a certain thing, you have say commitment issues, and you say कि मुझे I would not get into any relationship, but good people are around you, but you are saying to yourself I will not get into a relationship because I am yet to heal my childhood trauma. True, the realization in itself is a lot of healing at first place, but you cannot stop living your life. You know what are your faults, what are your loopholes, मैं कहाँ पे भी कमी में हूँ, but you cannot stop living your life. Maybe you're really afraid to move out of your house, but you know you would get what you want when you move out of your house. So you need to get out. You cannot say I'm healing or I'm still scared. You cannot use it as an excuse. Sometimes we take a healing period so long, the longevity of it is so long that you forget that you have to live your life. Sometimes you're just giving your brain wrong signals when you're telling yourself I am healing. और ज़्यादा फेमसली आजकल स्पिरिचुअल लोग जो हैं या बहुत सारे जेंजी भी इसको एज अ ट्रेंडिंग वर्ड यूज़ कर रहे हैं, जस्ट आई एम हीलिंग और लेट इट हील. हीलिंग इज़ लाइक फॉर एवर, वी आर हीलिंग फॉर एवर, देन वेन वी आर लिविंग आवर लाइफ, आई डोंट नो अबाउट दैट. That's my question, that's my concern. I think we all should just not sit on healing. We should start deleting things that doesn't serve us and let good things in people be in our lives. Give them a chance so that sometimes someone else's or new country or new job entry in your life heals the pattern that you are wanting to heal by yourself. Sometimes it requires other energies, other sources, spaces to heal. जिसको आप heal करना चाह रहे हो वो कहीं किसी और के थ्रू हील होगा, राइट। एंड समटाइम्स किसी का करियर नहीं चल रहा हो तो उसने एक एग्ज़ाम के पीछे सब कुछ लगा दिया, दे हैव बीन स्ट्रगलिंग एंड डूइंग इट बट दे आर स्टिल नॉट गेटिंग इट. But the moment you turn your head around, you move here and there and go do something else, that pattern of toxicity is healed, because you are, I'll fix it, it would work out. But it's not going to work out. It's just hinting you move somewhere else. So stop healing throughout your life. Take some good time and then let life show you the way, show you the people, show you the career, show you the happiness that exists. Don't tell yourself repeatedly, because that's the loop, that's the trap that's gonna set you in that vicious cycle for a very long period of time. एंड ऐसा हो रहा है क्योंकि हम बोलते हैं अभी मैं ब्रेकअप से हील नहीं हुआ, तो शायद कोई अच्छा है इंसान जो आपकी लाइफ में आना चाहता है, जो आप में वो पोटेंशियल देखता है, एंड उनके आने से मे बी समथिंग बेटर हो, और आप एक करियर के पीछे लगे हुए हैं और उससे बहुत आपके अंदर यू सेल्फ वर्थ चली गई है, एंड यू आर ट्राइंग टू हील इट, फिक्स इट बाय डूइंग द सेम मिस्टेक अगेन एंड अगेन. कभी कहीं और जाओ, कुछ और करियर का ऑप्शन ट्राई करो, क्या पता दैट वुड गिव यू विंग्स टू फ्लाई, दैट वुड हील अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स इन यू, दैट वुड हील even things that you don't know were meant to be healed. So give things try and just don't use this term repeatedly. Even if you know that something needs to be fixed, don't repeatedly say it, because I think our mind energies are listening around, and we are also listening, people are also seeing, and if you are telling other people, then they must be thinking like, what's wrong with that person, they're always fixing themselves. Just start living along with subtle fixing and everything else would make sense. I hope this makes sense. Thank you.